Hi guys, I'm Nitish and welcome to the Techno, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how can you make video by replacing your face with your favorite superhero or favorite star or favorite celebrity, and you can perform the same action as they have performed, and you can do it very simply. This is done through using app called Reface, and you can change your face or replace your face with any of the celebrity, any of the superhero or any of the star you want, and you can make those video and perform that scenes. And it is done through the pro version of the app, and that is paid, so you will have to pay for using such features obviously, but why to fear when your bro is here? So I'm going to show you how can you use that app for the free and how can you download that pro version. So you'll have to watch the full video till the end and without skipping a single second of the video. So for that you can hit that like button, and if you are new over here then please subscribe to this channel because I bring such interesting video. I'm going to show you the tutorial first, how to do that, how to change the face, how to replace your face, all the stuff. So please do watch the tutorial as well, and at last I'm going to show you how can you download the app. So here is the tutorial, and I request you to watch the full tutorial because there are some of the important things that you must take care of. So confirm everything over here, and you'll have to allow for the camera as well, so allow that, and you'll have to take the picture for the first time and save it as it's marked over there. So your face picture will be saved, and the interface you'll get like this, and you'll have to select the celebrity or the video that you want to make. So you can just select any of them as you like. So I'll select this Wolverine one for example. So after clicking it will initialize and the video will be like this. So you can click on that save to gallery to save the video, and here you will find a lot more you can search as well. So in this way you can. So that was the tutorial, and now how can you download the pro version of the app? So for that you will have to do nothing, just go in the description box below and you will find the download link of the app. So click there, you can download app from there. And if you found this video interesting then hit that like button. If you are new over here then please subscribe to this channel because I bring such interesting video.
The storms we chase are leading us